Hello guys, you are welcome to today's tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how I made this full-length hijab, like full-length schema for a 10-year-old girl. For your hijab measurement, you will be needing the front length, the back length, and the sleeve length plus the head circumference. To take the back length measurement, place your tape on the forehead where your hijab starts from and take the tape across your head down to the length you desire. For the front length, place your tape on the forehead and measure down to your desired length. And for the sleeve length, place your tape on the middle of your head and measure the sleeve length as shown in the video. For the head circumference, wrap your tape around your head and get your measurement. For this hijab, the front length is 51 inches, the back length is 56 inches, the sleeve length is 36 inches, and the head circumference is 20 inches. I am laying the front piece on the back piece. The front piece is folded into two, and the back piece is folded into two, making 4 folds. The breadth is 21.5 inches on 4 folds. That is 43 inches breadth for the front piece and 43 inches breadth for the back piece. If I'm sewing for an adult, I normally use the whole breadth of the material, which is usually 60 inches. So the first step is to draw my starting line. Then mark the head circumference divided by 4. That's 20 inches divided by 4. That will give me 5 inches plus 0.5 inch sewing allowance, or 1 inch sewing allowance, as the case may be. If you want more allowance, but I need like 0.5 inch for this. Then I would go to the open end and mark 15 inches downwards. Then connect the 2 points with a curved line. So I would measure the line to the midpoint of the hijab, and I have 28 inches. So that 28 inches will be subtracted from my sleeve length to determine how long the sleeve that I'm attaching would be. So I would measure 7 inches from the line to create my sleeve opening. So from that 7 inches, I would come in by 1 inch and curve the point, then create a straight line to the front length. From the front length at the sides, I will draw a curved line to the back area of the back length. Follow the markings to cut out your hijab. To cut the cap, I need a fabric unfold that is 22 inches long and 4 inches wide. So I would fold it again to make it 4 folds. I would measure 5 inches length and 3.5 inches wide. Then mark 2 inches for the belt and curve the 2 inches to meet the height of the cap. Then cut out the cap. Just watch as I'm doing it in the video. For the sleeve, I am going to wind my elastic thread around the bobbin manually and use the normal thread for the upper part. The sleeve is on fold and it is 15 by 7 inches on fold. While sharing the sleeve, make sure you drag it so as to make it stretchy. For the cap, I will turn it to the wrong side to sew the belt area, then turn it to the right side and give it a good press. The next step is to take the front and the back piece of the hijab, right side facing each other, and sew from the neck area to the sleeve opening. Then I would attach the sleeve. Then I will sew the sleeve down to the side of the hijab. The next step is to attach the cap to the hijab, then close up the remaining part of the neck and finish the down part of the hijab. If you have been watching up to this moment, thank you for watching this video from the beginning to the end. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more sewing tutorial like this. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section and I will see you in my next video. Bye.